Find 60% of 75. So to do this, just say 60 over 100 times 75. So you can say 25 here 4, 25 here 3, 4 here 1, 4 here 15. Then 15 times 3, that would give you 45. And that's the final answer. What is the 75% of 120? 75% of 120. So 0 cancel out 0. We have 10, we have 12 here. We can still divide by 2 to have 5. Divide by 2 to have 6. Then we can say 5 here 1, 5 here 15. So 15 times 6, that is 90. Because 15 times 2, that is 30, times 3, that is 90. So 90. So that's it. Another way to go about it when you have 75 over 75% is that 75% is 3 over 4. So you can just say, what is the 3 over 4 of 120? You get the same answer. When you divide this by 4, you have 30. 30 times 3, you have 90. Convert this into decimal. Convert 2.5% into decimal. So when you are dividing by 100, because now this means 2.5 over 100, but this is a fraction. Now we want to convert it to decimal. So one thing you should know is that when you write 2.5, ask yourself where, because now you are dividing, so where will you move this dot? Is it right or left? Where will you move this dot? That is going to reduce the value of 2.5. If you move it here, it will become 25. That increases the value. But if you move it here, it will become 0.25. That decreases the value. So we are going to move towards the left. And because we have 2 zeros here, we are going to move towards the left twice. So to make things easy, just say 2.5, bring it 1, you bring it 2. Then you fill the space with 0. So this is where the dots will be, and there should be another 0 in front. So what you are going to have is 0.025.